Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I wanted to share my tag for October that I received from Donna, Powered by Creativity. This is the Year of Julie Nutting Doll tag swap, and this is my tag that I received in the swap from Donna. This tag is gorgeous. You know what? All the tags that I received so far have just been marvelous. Everybody's creativity is like off the roof or outer space or whatever you want to call it. But this one's really cute too. Look at the ribbon she put around it. Isn't that just gorgeous? And look at the girl. She kind of reminds me like of Morticia Adams or somebody like that. She's her orange dress with the bats on it. She got her pet cat. She got her scary pumpkins. There's a black doily back there, orange doily to help her dress out. There's some sequins. You know what? Time is being put in these tags. And the sequence, she has her candelabra. There's her house in the back with her ghostly friends. The ribbons are just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Wonder where she got that ribbon from. I like this. I'm going to have to ask her when I see her next. Look at that, everybody. Is that gorgeous? Is that gorgeous? And then, don't stop there. Look on the back. The back says, eek. And it's a shaker. You know what? Everybody's doing a shaker. And you know why they're all doing shakers? It's because I haven't successfully done a shaker yet. And I'm going to tell you, on my next tag, shaker's coming. Shaker's coming. Or shaker's going to be on something. Here it says Happy Halloween. Here's a nice dimensional scary pumpkin. Back here are some pumpkins and some ghosts. Looks like Casper's friend. It says a year of newly Julie nutting tags. My October tag. Made by Donna, Powered by Creativity, October 2020. There's some spider webs. Oh, come on, guys. You got to admit. There is so much creativity in all of these tags. Now, if you want to learn about the swap is by Karen Smallcrafting. The hosts are Karen Smallcrafting. You know what? See how come my mind goes. Karen Smallcrafting, Sparkling Char, and Donna Powered by Creativity. See, it took the mind a second, but did you see it click? But did you just hear it click back in and I got those names out? So go to Donna Powered by Creativity's channel. She has a video up. I think it's her last video or so. It explains the swap. There's no commitment. You can either participate in a month or not participate in a month. I'll have their names listed down in the description box, and you can go to one of their channels and find out. Thank you for tuning in today. Hope you love Donna's tags. Hope you're liking the tags that we've all been presenting on the tag swap. If you want to see what all the tags are looking like, let me calm it down. If you want to see what all the tags are looking like and how everybody's creativity is kicked in and how everybody's having so much fun with these tags, you can follow hashtag Year of Julie Nutting tags, and you'll see all the tags that are being made by all the ladies every month. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, come on over and subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you to all my viewers. I'll talk to you all in the next channel. I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye now.